Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine error code E26 or F26. What does it mean and how to fix it? The error code E26 or F26 on a Bosch washing machine indicates an issue with the pressure sensor. The pressure sensor is responsible for measuring the amount of water in the machine and communicating with the control board to confirm if the machine has been filled or emptied. If the pressure sensor is faulty, it may not be able to accurately measure the water level, which can cause the washing machine to display the E26 or F26 error code. To fix this issue, it's recommended that you contact Bosch support team. Do not use the washing machine until it has been fixed. The pressure sensor may need to be replaced, which is a straightforward repair. Before replacing the sensor, it is recommended to check the pressure sensor pipe for holes and ensure that it is still connected to the pipe and drum. It is also important to check if the water is coming back up through the waste pipe. It is also worth checking that there are good water supply and the solenoid valve is not stopping the water from coming in through the drawer. Poor water flow into the machine can cause the pressure sensor to malfunction and display the E26 or F26 error code. If the error code persists, it may be necessary to replace the printed circuit board or the PCB, which can be quite costly. In some cases, it may be more cost effective to replace the washing machine rather than repair it. However, it is recommended to contact Bosch support team for assistance and guidance before making any decisions.